Irashaimase. Welcome back to Nappy Cat. This little one has something he completely loves here. These are the Temptations purees, and somebody has a favy. Yes, he does. I thought I would share this with you guys as living proof that this is very, very popular. Yeah. So, seeing him feed like this made me think of kittens, and I grew to wonder who was the kitty who had the most kittens in one litter. And after having to do some serious digging, I found out the largest litter of a domestic kitty was not too many months before I was born. This kitty had 19 kittens on August the 7th of 1970. A beautiful Burmese Siamese kitty. She gave birth to 19 kittens. Can you even imagine? You know, we've all heard of kitties having up to 9, which is just amazing by itself. But she had 19. 4 were stillborn, unfortunately, 15 alive, and 14 of the 15 were little boys, and the other one was a little princess. They were born in Kingham, Oxfordshire, UK. That was really neat. The kitty belonged to Valerie Gain. And this is the part that I had to do some big digging for. The kitty's name is Tarawood Antigone. Tarawood was a beautiful Burmese Siamese that must have looked so much like my late Sheba, who had lived to be 19 years old herself. Sheba is the longest living kitty that I've had. Yes. And somebody here is, gosh, he must be about 18 months now. Yes, he's over a year and a half. He'll turn 2 on September the 8th. Yes, of this year, somebody here will turn 2. And somebody has had a very wonderful snack and is finding any last piece. So if any of you have kitties, and you're wondering what type of thing they might like to eat, this is Temptations Puree. It's called Puree, Purree. And I'm not paid by these guys. I'm not affiliated with them or anything like that. I just thought I would try one and see how he likes it. And he loves it. Yes, he does. Yeah, look at that. Well, thank you all so very much for watching this video with us today. If you like the content of our videos, don't forget to tick those paws and paw that like button. You can paw the subscription button, and you can paw the notification bell so that you can see all of Nappy Cat's videos. Well, thank you all so very much. And Nappy and I look very forward to seeing you in the next video.